Chopping strikes. Is it even a thing? Yep. Let's talk about it. And here's our tool of choice, Bung Mung Yi 2-foot stick. We all know how to hold this from the last videos that I put up. So we're gonna jump right into it with the chopping strikes. So what is a chopping strike? A chopping strike, other than the fluid strike, okay, we now are just going to chop and then bring it right back to where we started, and then we're going to switch to the next side, chop, bring it back to the other side, bring it down, chop, bring it back to the side, chop, bring it back to the side, chop, bring it back, chop, bring it back, chop, bring it back, chop, bring it back, stab, bring it back. Pretty simple right there. All right, so we're going to do it nice and slow. Let me move this big guy out of the way. Okay, so we're going to start out with just a good sparring stance on the balls of our feet, staying nice and loose. All right, okay, and now remember, we're just going to put that hand up to gain that distance, that nice safe distance away, whether we're going to strike or whether we're just wanting to keep someone away out of our bubble, all right, out of our safe spot. So we always want to keep that hand up in a guard position, all right? Okay, so nice and slow, go with me. Remember, this is our right hand. We're going to chop right at the collarbone, bring it back. Chop, bring it back. On the other side, now we'll go to the ribs, chop, bring it back, and now go under the arm so we can still have that guard position up. Chop, bring it back, and then bring it over here, knee, chop, bring it back, bring it all the way to the other side, knee, chop, bring it up around, keeping that guard position up, between the legs, chop, bring it back, chop, bring it back, and stab, bring it back. That's it right there. Let's bring the big boy out here so you can get some visual on a bigger target here. Okay, so sparring stance, collarbone chop, bring it back, 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 stab, bring it back, and we're done. All right, pretty simple. Now I'm going to get a little bit more into detail and what our legs are doing and what our body needs to do for a fluid strike that creates the most power in our strike. Okay, so when you watch me, okay, I'm not just flat-footed on the ground. I'm actually going to move. So if you look at my feet, okay, I'm just not flat-footing and just kind of staying like a robot or like, a statue. Okay, I'm actually going to be moving my hips and my body so I get that full, I can even stretch it back, bam, and strike. Okay, this works for the fluid strike as well. Okay, so we want to move that body, move our hips. It's okay to start bending our knees and getting that nice fluid. I don't want to say bounce because I don't want to get this sort of motion in, but just stay fluid and just stay to where you can actually start moving correctly and smooth and stay on the balls of your feet so you can actually move legs and feet, and so you can actually get the motion down correctly, and you're going to have good power, good technique, and this is how all the best martial artists do it in the world. Okay, so with that being said, go ahead, practice hard. Rewind the tape if you need to. If you have any questions, go ahead, put them in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and till then, see you on the next one.